Welcome to Smart Tool Buddy. In this video, we are going to review on the best Razer Basilisk V3 Customizable Ergonomic Gaming Mouse. Experience the pinnacle of gaming precision and customization with the Razer Basilisk V3, the ultimate ergonomic gaming mouse designed for professional gamers. Favored by millions worldwide, this mouse offers unparalleled comfort, speed, and versatility for any gaming scenario. Key features: iconic ergonomic design with thumb rest. The Basilisk V3 supports your hand perfectly, with optimally positioned buttons for quick and easy access during intense gaming sessions. 11 programmable buttons. Customize your gameplay by assigning macros and secondary functions to 11 programmable buttons, enabling you to execute essential actions like push-to-talk, ping, and more. Hyperscroll tilt wheel. Speed through content with a scroll, while that free spins until stopped, or switch to tactile mode for precision and satisfying feedback, perfect for cycling through weapons or skills. 11 Razer Chroma RGB lighting zones. Personalize each lighting zone with over 16.8 million colors and countless effects, reacting dynamically with over 150 Chroma-integrated games for an immersive experience. Optical mouse switches Gen 2. Achieve crisp, responsive execution at a blistering 0.2 milliseconds actuation speed with switches, designed to last up to 70 million clicks, ensuring zero unintended misclicks. Focus Plus 26K DPI optical sensor. This best-in-class sensor with intelligent functions tracks movement flawlessly with zero smoothing, providing pixel-precise accuracy for any game. Number 1 selling PC gaming peripherals brand in the US. Trust in a brand known for its quality and performance, as evidenced by its leading position in the US market for gaming design mice, keyboards, and PC headsets. Why choose this product? The Razer Basilisk V3 offers the ultimate combination of ergonomic design, customizable features, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an avid gamer or a professional, this mouse provides the precision, comfort, and versatility you need to stay ahead of the competition. Customize your experience with programmable buttons and vibrant Chroma RGB lighting, and enjoy the reliability and performance of the world's leading gaming peripherals brand. Please follow and subscribe to us for more videos like this.